Hello and welcome. Good morning to this 10-minute yoga flow. We'll begin in child's pose. Balasana, seat to heels. Bend your elbows, bring your palms to touch. Begin to develop your deep, smooth breath in and out the nose here. Landing into this stillness, into this very moment, attaching your mind to your breath for these 10 minutes. On your inhalation, rise up. Shoulders above wrists, elbows hug the side body, lower all the way down. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, lower with length. Engage the thighs. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, lower down. One more time. Pressing into the tops of the feet and lowering with control. Lift the arms, lift the legs, Shalabhasana. Exhale, swim the arms back. Inhale, extend forward, and exhale, swim the arms back. Moving in the rhythm of your breath here. Stretch, reach, extend. Make sure your feet are no wider than your hips here. And then lower your forehead down on top of your hands. Bend your knees. Allow your heels to swing from left to right. Massaging the thighs here. Releasing the low back. Straighten the legs out. Bring the hands next to the chest. Press the mat away. Curl your toes under. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. Spread your fingers wide from one another. Spread across the shoulders. Find even more length in the spine. Inhale, sweep the right leg straight up. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders above wrists. Inhale, extend the leg up and back. Exhale, right knee towards right elbow. Inhale, extend the leg up. And exhale, knee towards left elbow. Inhale, extend the leg up. And exhale, lower the foot down. Other side. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. We're warming up the belly. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, extend, reach, expand, and then towards the right elbow. Last time, leg up and foot all the way down. Press the hips up and back. Stepping the feet to the hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine, fingertips all the way up to the thighs. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lengthen, Ardha. Exhale, Uttanasana. Last time, Ardha Uttanasana, long spine, neck long. Exhale, fold. Inhale, swim the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Pull the low abs in. Lengthen your tailbone down. Step way back with your right foot. Pivot your heel down. Pull your left hip back and your right hip forward. Virabhadrasana 1. Pulling the hands down to the heart. Exhale. Inhale, sweeping the palms out and up. Look up. Exhale, get down deeper with the hips. Bend deeper into the front knee. Look down. Make sure that your knee isn't going past your ankle here. Moving with the breath. These round circular movements. Open and free the upper body as we build strength in the legs. Now lean forward. Fingertips to the mat. Heel to arch alignment here for Virabhadrasana 2. Beginning to wave and move the upper body in a nice energy flow. Move as if you're flowing through warm water here. On the inhalation, straighten the front leg, and on the exhalation, get down deep with the hips, bend deeply into the front knee. Revolving the spine here as we circle the arms. And now sweeping the palms back, straighten the front leg. As you sweep the arms forward, bend deeply into the knee. Opening up the spine here, awakening the legs. Make sure that your back leg stays completely straight as you bend and straighten the front leg. Now sweeping the arms around and up, leaning back. Exhale, stretch forward, coming into Trichonasana. Keep a micro bend in your knee. Lengthen the side body. Keeping the upper arm in line with the bottom arm, hand to shin block or in between your toes. Pull the hips back and the crown of the head forward. Then bring your fingertips to your hip. Bring your other fingertips forward onto the floor and onto a block and lift the back leg up to hip level. Stacking your hips in line with one another. Perhaps you want to extend the arm up here in Ardha Chandrasana. Really press to the heel. Lift up and you should be able to see your toes in your periphery. And slowly lowering back down. Bringing your forearm to the thigh, sweeping the arm over the ear, long line. Exhale, revolve the arm around. Inhale, straighten the arm over the ear. And exhale, circle it down, around, and up. Moving with the rhythm of your breath. Pulsing the hips up and down. Walk the fingertips forward towards the long edge of the mat. Your toes are pointing straight forward. Circle the fingertips around. Perhaps bending a little into the left knee and the right. Sweeping the arms, the fingertips from left to right here. Flowing the spine from left to right, releasing. Grab onto opposite elbows or grab the calves, fold. And then walk your fingertips forward, coming into Virabhadrasana 1 on the other side. Exhale, hands to heart. Straighten and strengthen your back leg. Pull your right hip back, your left hip forward. Make sure your front knee doesn't go farther than your ankle. If you want to come deeper, on your inhalation, press the hands together. Exhale, thumbs to the third eye, heart, and release down. Bringing attention into our intuition, leading with our heart. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up, heel to arch alignment here. Keep your shoulders over your hips, engage the low abs. Beginning the lovely water-like fluid movement with the arms. On every exhalation, bending deeply into the front knee and keeping the back leg straight and strong. Now flowing the arms forward and back as if you're pressing warm water, gliding and flowing with ease. Sweeping the arms up and back, go back, lean back, open the side body. You can shorten your stance slightly, coming into Trichonasana triangle pose. Hand to the shin or block. Lengthen your side body. Perhaps you want to bring your fingertips in between your toes, but really keep a long side waist here. Coming into Ardha Chandrasana on the other side. Lift the leg up to hip level, flex the foot. Make sure that your standing leg toes are pointing straight forward. Really roll the top hip a little bit more open. And then release slowly down. Pivot the heel to the mat. Bring the forearm to the thigh and sweep the arm up over the ear, down towards the mat, around and back up again. Breathing deeply, slowly, and with sound on every inhalation, expanding the lungs in 360 degrees. Walking the hands forward towards the long edge of the mat, toes point straight forward and a little in, fold forward, grabbing onto the calves or ankles. Lengthen the spine, bring your weight a little bit more into the balls of the feet to cascade and fall. Flow the spine more down towards the earth. Now walk the hands out and back forward towards the front of the mat and step back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Bring the knees down to the mat. Your seat to your heels for child's pose, Balasana. Walking your fingertips over towards the right, pull your left hip back. And bringing your fingertips towards the left, pull your right hip back. Rising up, open up your leg, bend one knee, opening up the side body, reach over your ear, open the heart, and then slowly other side, straighten the leg, flex the toes, bend the knee, open up the side body, any amount. Coming back up, cross the legs, stretch the fingertips forward one last time. Connecting with the playful and creative childlike spirit that's still within you. Bringing this laughter and play into your day today. Wishing you so much love. Namaste.